Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Winter is officially here, and you know what that means? It's time to get cozy. But instead of just buying the usual winter gear, why not add a personal touch and make your own? Today, I'm going to show you 3 super easy DIY projects to create your own unique winter accessories. A cap, a pair of gloves, and some toasty socks. These are perfect for beginners, make amazing gifts, and will definitely keep you warm and stylish all season long. So grab your yarn, some old sweaters, and let's get crafting. First up, let's make a no-sew fleece beanie. This is seriously one of the easiest projects ever. All you need is a piece of fleece fabric, about 24 by 24 inches, a pair of sharp scissors, and a ruler. Lay your fleece out flat. You're going to cut a fringe along one edge, about 4 inches deep and ½ an inch wide. Once you've fringed the whole side, simply roll the fabric up tightly into a tube, with the fringe at one end. Then, take a separate strip of fleece and tie it super tight right below the fringe. That's it! The fringe will pop up and create a cute pom-pom effect. You've just made a custom cozy beanie in under 10 minutes. How cool is that? Next, we're upcycling an old sweater into a pair of warm mittens. Find a wool or cashmere sweater that you don't wear anymore. Lay it flat and place your hand on top, spreading your fingers slightly. Trace around your hand, leaving about a ½ inch seam allowance, creating a mitten shape. Make sure to cut through both layers of the sweater so you get 2 identical pieces for one mitten. Repeat this for your other hand. Now, with the pieces inside out, you can either sew them together by hand or with a machine. Leave the bottom edge open. Flip them right side out, and you have a brand new pair of incredibly soft and warm mittens made from something you already owned. Finally, let's talk socks. We're going to make some slipper socks that are perfect for lounging around the house. For this, you'll need some chunky yarn and a crochet hook, or you can use a knitting loom if you prefer. We'll start by making a simple rectangle. The width should be the circumference of your ankle, and the length should be from your heel to your toes, plus a few extra inches. Once you have your rectangle, fold it in half lengthwise and sew up the long side and one of the short ends to create a pocket for your foot. You can even add some puffy paint to the bottom for a non-slip grip. There's so much cozier than store-bought socks. And there you have it, 3 simple and fun DIYs to get you ready for winter. I hope you enjoyed these projects and feel inspired to create your own accessories. If you do make any of these, please tag me on social media. I would love to see your creations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafty content, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay warm.